Hello everyone, welcome back with Revit basic tutorial how to crop view on sheet. As example, I have this simple object, and then we can go into sheet. You can go to project browser and click this sheet. This for default we use A100. You can double click, and then I will insert view into the sheet. You can click view tab and then click view icons. I will use a floor plan level 0. Click add to sheet, and I will click at this point. Now if you want to crop this view, you can click in floor plan level 0. Next you can active for this icon crop region. It will be show the crop region, and you can select this box. The next you can crop like moving at this points into here to center, and then we move again, and we can make it more small for crop box. Now if you go into this sheet, you can double click and it will be automatically cropped. You can see. You also can add another view, like we can duplicate this level 0. You can right click, click duplicate. Okay, duplicate view, and click here duplicate. So in here we crop again another view. You can active in here, and then I will click at this point, so it will be cropping, and you can move to the bottom here. The next you can go to sheet, and then in here we can attach view. This option floor plan level 0 copy 1, click add view to sheet, so it will be automatically cropping. Okay, that's it, how to crop view on sheet in Revit software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.